Imagine just being 10 minutes away from a major client meeting with nothing but messy Word docs and disorganized notes. Instead of panicking, you can instantly turn that raw text into a polished professional slide deck without any manual design work. Let's see how it works.
All right, guys, you want to make that presentation amazing, but you don't have the resources and you're thinking, what am I going to do? Well, don't worry. We're going to show you how to instantly convert your PDFs. Maybe you have Word docs everywhere. You have them all over the desktop or just have raw text. We're going to convert them into highly structured layouts, going from zero to presentation ready and being super, super effective and efficient while doing it. And this is a total lifesaver. So get ready to impress your audience. As we can see here, you can refine your presentation with Dookie. You can go ahead and just tells your idea. So Doge, you just go ahead and jump into a presentation simply by talking to the interface. That's all you have to do. Just make natural structural adjustments. So I'm going to put my doc here, or I can use the menu, whichever one. But here I can just talk to it like I would ChatGPT. So if they're using the menu system or precise changes, you can do that to describe the AI. And then you can generate data visualizations, maybe make data diagrams that make your business content more convincing. And then you can also add interactive features, 3D models, animations, hover effects to make your delivery stand out. And we can see all the different themes here that we have. So why I like this is these tools simultaneously generate a matching speech alongside your slides. So that saves you even more time. You can upload your own company templates. The system just automatically adapts a presentation to match your brand. So here we can see the cover page, the executive summary. This is all looking good, the key metrics, and we can see the challenges, the blocking scale, the opportunities, all of that stuff, everything that we need, and even the final conclusions. On the left-hand side, we can see all the information. So, and we can see the outline here. If I want, I can go ahead and share this, but I don't exactly have to do that. We can see all the information, the scale, the information here, and I know it's going to look absolutely amazing. Look how awesome this looks. Now I just give it some general instructions. So I can edit this by coming on the left-hand side here and just talking to it like I would an LLM, large language model, and then it gets everything done. So boom, I have North Star Consulting. I have all of my information here. Check it out. Got the momentum. This is looking absolutely amazing. This is looking great. And even the foundations, everything is looking absolutely great here. There's not much left that I would have to do. And I can just hit AI rewrite and I can come to a prompt and type anything. If I want to rewrite stuff, I can. So I can add 3D models, animation, the hover effects. I can have it rewrite. Just tell the AI what to rewrite and I'll do it. If you want it longer, if you want it shorter, if you want it to sound more business professional, or if you just want to make it tailored to your audience, this is the best way to do it. So Doki is how you can do that right here. I can go ahead and if I want to insert images, if I want to insert graph, I can here. So this is looking really, really good. And now we can see all the recommendations this has here. So we can see how this looks. And I just want to make the diagram look better. I just say what to do. And this does it right here for me. If I want to have a different kind of graph in here, I can do that. So you can see the animation here, the entrance, having it come advanced with collusion, with 3D models, with code art, boom. So I can do that. What I like this is here, just make the 3D model here. We're just going to zoom in. Look how awesome this looks. Now we can see also the inserts, the entrance, if we want to do auto, if we want to do custom entrance, how that would work, pages. It makes it really, really easy to do. Even I want to give text animations. It's possible. Even the data right here, I'm going to do that, the original, the count out, the chart glow, and then I just go ahead and generate. So now it's working, it is thinking, and we are taking a look here. So the onboarding, the operations, the hiring, this is not just your average slide. This is not just your average thing in PowerPoint or whatever it is. This looks absolutely amazing right here. And we can see, the onboarding, the operations, the hiring, all of this as I'm clicking through here. So I can go ahead, click on Q3 operations or Northbridge Consulting. We have all the animations here. We have everything. And then if you want to change something, you do it on the side menu, just like you would an AI or an LLM. And here we can see here all of the text. Say you don't have slides, you can just use the text, make it look really good. If you're tired of stressing over the last minute presentation, you just have to have the text, put it in here, give the AI command and watch it work its magic like it's doing here for the Q3 operations. I can even change the color. I can animate the text. I can do everything. And then I can go ahead and play it. Makes it very, very simple. So look how awesome this looks. Key metrics, challenging blocking scale. Have you ever seen a presentation that looks absolutely this amazing? I bet you haven't. And even if you have, you owe it to yourself to check this out. And that was the presentation. This looks absolutely amazing. It looks better than anything I could have made. Now I can just go ahead and export it if I want. I can save the project if I need to, or I can go ahead and share it with multiple people. Say I want to share it with some team members, and I even get a link like I would for Google. I can download PDF, PowerPoint, PNG, all of that type of stuff. Very, very simple and easy to do. So if you're tired of stressing over last-minute presentations, check out the link in the description. Streamline your workflow for the next meeting. I think you'll be absolutely impressed. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.